Hello everyone, I'm Rajkumar Yadav, PGT Economics from St. Paul Senior Secondary School, Eton. Dear students, today in this video I am going to tell you about the next topic, that is the shape or the slope of MOC, Marginal Opportunity Cost. Students, today in this video I will tell you about these three, 1, 2 and this is the third one. Three types of shape or the slope of a production possibility curve. This is the convex shape and this is the straight and this is the concave shape of PPC. Students, I will tell you about the reason behind the shape of both these PPC and so many things. So here be alert while watching this video because this is the high time for your studies. So students, here let's start for today's.
So students, today in this video I am going to tell you about the shape or the slope of a production possibility curve or the PPC. Students, production possibility curve or PPC can have three types of shapes. Number one is convex PPC. Number two, straight production possibility curve, and number three is concave production possibility curve. So here we can say that a production possibility curve have three possibilities regarding its shape or the slope. Now I will tell you about all these three types of shapes today, one by one. First, I am going to tell you about when PPC, production possibility curve, is convex. Students, the convex shape is like this. X-axis here, it is y-axis and 0, and this is the PPC. This is the convex shape of PPC. So this is the convex shape of PPC. Students, the reason behind the convex shape of PPC is the decreasing MOC, means decreasing marginal opportunity cost. So here convex PPC is due to decreasing MOC, marginal opportunity cost. I told you everything about the MOC earlier. Here decreasing MOC means, it means that in order to produce more units of commodity X, in our example we let X as the, I think that is the wheat or the clothes. Wait a minute. X, we consider X the wheat in our example, and Y we consider the cotton. So to produce more units of commodity X called the wheat, less units of commodity Y are sacrificed. CET, or we can say that rate of sacrifice, or MOC, or the MRT, marginal rate of transformation, or rate of sacrifice. Which is also known as that MOC or the MRT decrease. And this situation takes place because of this is because of increasing returns. Increasing returns means law of increasing returns. Now, with the help of our schedule and the graph, I am going to explain about this convex shape. So here, this is the schedule. This is for combinations, and this is for commodity X, and this is for commodity Y, and this column is for MOC. Here this is combination. Or the possibility A, B, C, D, E. Three combinations are there, and X or the wheat units, and the Y or the cotton units, and this is the MOC. Suppose that when we apply all the resources to produce unit commodity Y, we are getting 10 units of Y in first combination and the 0 units of commodity X. Now these are increasing one by one, and here this will be decreased. Now MOC is the loss upon gain. So here the MOC will be undefined, and here the 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 4, 3, 2 and 1, and this is the 4 by 1, 3 by 1, 2 by 1 and 1 by 1. This is the MOC. And when we convert this MOC into a graph, then we will find a graph like this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay. And on x-axis we are indicating the good x, that is wheat, and on y-axis good y is indicating, that is cotton. So here A, B, C, D. Okay. A to E, this is the convex. P, C. The reason behind the convex shape of PPC is the decreasing MOC. Here we are looking here that the MOC is decreasing from 4, 3, 2 and 1. So the decreasing MOC is the reason behind the convex shape of the PPC. Now students, the second situation, number 2, when PPC is straight. Students, the straight shape of PPC is due to constant MOC. Here constant MOC means there will be no change in MOC. It means, students, that in order to produce more units of commodity, X, that is wheat, same units of good Y are sacrificed. Or we can say the rate of sacrifice remains constant. Students, this is because of application of law of constant returns. Students, law of constant returns tells us that the producer will get equal returns as much as he will invest. So this condition we will discuss again with the help of a schedule and a graph. This is the possibility, this is the commodity X and this is the commodity Y and this is the MOC. Possibility, okay, X units, Y units, and this is the MOC. A, B, C, D, and this is the E. Here 10, 12, 8, 4 and 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here with the increase of next each unit, the same units of commodity Y are sacrificing. So here the MOC will be not defined. Here 12 minus 10 is equal to, sorry, yes, this is the 16, not the 12. 16 minus 12 is the 4 and 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 is equal to 4. Again here 4 by 1 is equal to 4. At each step we are getting the same constant MOC 4, 4, 4, 4. And when we convert this data with the help of graph on this axis X and Y, we get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and then 12. When we join these, this is the A, sorry, 4, 8, 12 and 16. Here the values will be changed in this diagram. 4, 8 and then 12 is 16. Yes, this will be the 20 and 16, 8, 0 for 16, 1 for 12 and 8 for 2 and 4 for 3. So in this way we will get a straight line. B, C, D and E. This is the shape of PPC here, straight. Shape of PPC. And students, this is due to the constant MOC, means here at each level the MOC is constant. Students, now it is clear from this schedule that the same units of Y are sacrificed in order to produce an additional unit of commodity X, and the result is the constant MOC, and this constant MOC will cause the straight line of PPC from A to A. Here AE is the PPC, which is a straight line curve, implying that the rate of sacrifice or the MOC remains same or the constant. Now students, third case is about when PPC is is concave. I told you about this shape earlier also, but again I am telling about the concave shape of the PPC, so be careful. Students, the concave shape is due to increasing MOC. It means that in order to produce more units of X, that is the wheat, more units of commodity Y, that is cotton, are sacrificed. Or we can say rate of sacrifice increases. In practical life, or we can say practically, all these three possibilities, concave, straight and then convex, means decreasing MOC, constant MOC and the increasing MOC are possible. Students, it is due to the application of law of diminishing returns. Now I will show you the concave shape of PPC with the help of the diagram and the schedule. Here again we will draw the schedule which will show you the increasing MOC. This column is for combination, this is for commodity x, that is beat, and this is for y, and this is for MOC. Okay, this is the production combinations of possibilities. This is for commodity X, and this is for commodity Y. Units will be there in this column, and same here, units will be mentioned in this column, and this is for MOC. The possibility are A, B, C, D, and last E. Students, here the units, 10 units we are getting on the employment of all resources to produce commodity Y, and the 0 unit of commodity will be produced here, and here 9, 7, 4 and 0. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here the MOC is the loss upon gain. Yes. 1 upon 1 is equal to 1, 2 upon 1 is equal to 2, 3 upon 1 is equal to 3, and 4 upon 1 is equal to 4. So what we are watching here, observing here, that the MOC is increasing here, and when we locate this data in on this graph, yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The units of commodity X, Y, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So 0 for 10, A combination, and 1 for 9 means here. This is the B combination, and 2 for 7 here, C combination, and 3 for 4, 3 for 4 here, D, and last 0 for D. The shape of PPC is like this. That is the concave shape, concave PPC, and the concave PPC is due to the increasing MOC. So students, here it is clear that in order to produce more units of commodity X, the Y decreases at increasing rate here, or MOC increases. Now this reason will cause the concave shape of the PPC. Here AE is the PPC, which is concave in shape, and implying that the rate of sacrifice is increasing. So students, here today I finished about the shape of PPC, and that's all for today's topic. Thank you.
So students, that was about your today's video. and I hope you got proper knowledge for today's topic. Again, be careful. I told you earlier that this is your high time for your studies, so be careful about your studies. And the same suggestion I am repeating again, that please prepare your notes in separate notebook for economics, and submit your notebook when I will make you call. Again, students, if you have any types of doubt or the query about the today's topic, then you may ask me directly to me through the app of the school or direct to my contact number. So students, okay, that's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day. Take care. Stay safe at your home. Stay happy at your home with your parents. Thank you. Jai Mata.